Children, in this video we are going to learn about structure of oxides of phosphorus. There are many oxides of phosphorus, but the most important thing is phosphorus trioxide, phosphorus trioxide, phosphorus tetroxide, and phosphorus pentoxide. Mostly phosphorus pentoxide, phosphorus trioxide acts as a dimer. So generally P4 is in tetrahedral shape. Already we have learned in allotropes of phosphorus. White phosphorus is in tetrahedral shape. That is 4 phosphorus, then 2 more phosphorus, tetrahedral shape, structure of white phosphorus. Bond angle is 60 degree, so more angle strain. To reduce the strain, it is more reactive, less stable. So oxygen becomes oxide. So oxygen atoms link in the edges. Link in the edges. See here like this. Between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Phosphorus trioxide formula. Phosphorus pentoxide means P4O10. So this structure plus single bond, a terminal P coordinate bond, 4 oxygen. This is phosphorus pentoxide. This single bond, each phosphorus linked to 4 oxygen atoms. If you are considering this phosphorus, 1, 2, 3, 4. Among the 4, 3 are single bonds. 1, 2, 3, 3 are single bonds and 1 coordinate bond. The terminal PO bond, this length is 143 picometer. This double bond. But this, that is coordinate bond. But this single bond distance is 160 picometer. So it is more length when compared to this one. This is the shorter distance. Similarly, this angle, P angle, this angle is 102 degree. 102 degree. But this oxygen angle, this one is 123 degree. 123 degree. So bond distance 143, 160, angle, phosphorus angle 102, here 123. The next, how many lone pair of electrons? See, totally oxygen 8 electrons, 2 already here, 4, 6, 8. This oxygen 2 plus 2, 4, so 6, 8. This oxygen already 2 bonds there, 4, 6, 8. This oxygen 2 bond 1, 2, so 6, 8. This oxygen also 2, 4, so 2 lone pair. This oxygen also 2 bond, so 2 lone pair. This oxygen also 2 bond there, so 2 lone pair. This oxygen also 2 lone pair. This oxygen 2 lone pair. This oxygen also 2 lone pair. So totally 10 oxygen atoms, each having 2 electrons. So 20 lone pair. So how many POP bond? Phosphorus oxygen bond. POP 1, POP 2, POP 3, POP 4, POP 5, POP 6. Totally 6 POP bond. POP bond. Next, how many PO bond? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 PO bond. Here, phosphorus atomic number 15. So phosphorus having vacant d orbital overlap with oxygen having filled p orbital and forms a bond called d pi p pi bond. Phosphorus vacant d orbital, oxygen filled p orbital, forming d pi p pi bond. There are 4 d pi p pi bond, but d pi means vacant d orbital, filled p orbital. D pi p pi bond, there are 4 bonds, but no p pi p pi bond. No p pi p pi bond. So this is the structure of phosphorus trioxide, phosphorus pentoxide, and then the bond angle, bond distance, everything given. That PO bond distance, this distance already I taught 160, become 160.5.